Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today we're doing a review on a car folding bed. Let's check it out. It's super easy to unfold. Simply open each section. 65 inches long by 22 inches wide by 18 inches high. 22 by 38 when folded. I'm only 5'8", but you need to understand that you also have the dash and the back seat space. Pull the seat forward. Remove the headrest. Tilt the seat the furthest you can go down. Now you just need to unfold it and put it on your seat. It can be done inside your car if you want to. Place any 22 inches wide mat that you want, and your sleeping bag or blankets. And now you just slide in. I'm fully stretched. It's super simple and comfortable. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon!